Supporting health and well-being in later life. CADR's research focuses on finding out what is important and what matters to us as we age, enabling us to live the life we want. Some areas CADR explores are what we want to do as we age, where we want to work or retire, what we want from the places we live, and how we can care for family and friends who need our support. Through our studies, a key issue we are interested in learning more about is how people, organisations and communities can help to build resilience so we can overcome some of the difficulties we all face as we grow older. Finding out what works for us as we age is essential if we are to ensure that everyone can enjoy a happy and healthy later life. Find out more, get involved, visit us at www.cadr.cymru.